Jacob and Dad. Welcome to our channel, Jacob and Dad. We are in Mankato now, driving from St. Paul, Minnesota, heading to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So we're gonna be driving there. We've been driving for over an hour now. We're in Mankato, and we're gonna continue driving to Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
Seems you cannot